Hello, my name is Joyce Runyon and I'm on the Quay County Health Council, and today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy recipe that you can make with a can of garbanzo beans. And everybody's seen the hummus at the grocery store, and usually it's kind of expensive, but it's super simple to make. So I will post the recipe at the end of the video so that you'll have that. And they call for whole cloves of garlic, but I like to cheat and I get me a jar of garlic. So I'm gonna put that into a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, that's all right. You can make this same thing by using a blender. And most of us have a blender. So I've got my garlic in there. If it was not minced, you'd wanna go ahead and press that and get it minced. The next thing I'm gonna put in is my 2 cans of garbanzo beans. And I drained the liquid out of them, but I saved it. And we'll see if we need to use some of that at the end to help smooth it out a little bit. I've also got 2 tablespoons of oil that I want to put in. And I'm using an olive oil. I like to use natural oils if possible. You could use whatever oil you have at home. The trick with this recipe is that it's gonna take some green chili. Green chili, we know, makes everything better. So this takes also a 1/2 teaspoon of coriander. And a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Well, that's all right. I like that. That one was a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my 1/2 cup of green chili. I'm going to put my lid on and we will pulse this. Here's where I'm going to use that liquid. I'm going to add a little bit more in. It's a little bit thick with my consistency, so I'm going to put some of my garbanzo juice and pulse it in. And I think I want a little bit more because it's still not as creamy as I would like it. And this way we get all the flavor still with the garbanzos without just adding water. All right, I'm going to do just a little bit more. Okay, I'm happy with this. So usually you eat this as a dip. You could have it with chips, pita crackers. You could also use it with vegetables. It's a real high protein snack, a great way to use those cans of garbanzo beans that we've got lurking in our cabinets. So be sure to give this a try. Oh, you know what I forgot? My lemon juice. I'll add that in. It needs just a little bit of acid. And you can add some salt straight to the container, but I like to salt my stuff separately. Because some of us have to watch our salt intake. So here it is. I can't wait to get into here. Let me get a spoon. And again, this probably isn't the proper way to eat it, but I'm sure it'll be delicious. It's really good. The green chili adds a little bit of heat. And so once this refrigerates and the flavors meld, you will really enjoy this. Again, I'm with the Quay County Health Council, and this is with the HEAL Committee. It's Healthy Eating, Active Living. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.